This is the index maintenance module, and we are discussing about the access methods in the index structure. And the second method, which is the scanning method, this we are discussing about this one. And now we came to know that the scanning method will scan the all the records on the leaf level, whether these records are qualifying or not qualifying, but the scanning method will scan the each and every record on the leaf level, and then the matching record will be returned by the this to the query processor after scanning. So the scanning is done by using the two ways. Either it can be a ordered scan, key order scan, or it can be a allocation order scan. And in this video we are going to discuss about the allocation order scan. In the allocation order scan, what the storage engine is doing, storage engine knows that it has to return every record, because this there is no where class. It will read the every record. It will have to return every record to the query processor. So what it will do, it will go to, in the allocation order scan, it will go to the allocation map. This allocation map is attached with every index, and this allocation map contains the list of the pages which are allocated to the this index. Like we have created the index uh, in this SQL server. We have created the index on this product table in our trading database, and this is the cluster index on this item ID. And when this index is created, there is the allocation map is created, which have the list of all the pages which are assigned to this index. And this index allocation map can be checked by using the dbcc command ind. We will pass the database name and this table name, and then it will read the every information related to this in IAM. Now this is the IAM information. Here is this is the object ID of which is the table ID, and this is the index, and the how many these pages are assigned to this index, or this is the list of the page IDs which are assigned to this index. So what the storage engine, when we will pass the query to the query processor, it will will know when the storage engine will use this method, allocation order scan method. So it will read all the pages from this allocation this allocation bitmap, and it will read these pages into the memory, and it will be very fast. So there are but there are some condition to select the allocation order scan by the storage engine. If we are using the table lock or no lock hint, then it will be the allocation order scan will be used, and order by should be false. In the allocation order scan, the pages, what are the pages are assigned to this, it will not be in the order. The whatever the order it's assigned, it will be read as it is. So the when the pages are returned to the query to the client, maybe it will not be in the order, it will not be in the ordered. While in the ordered scan, how the storage engine is doing, we have seen in the previous video that the storage engine is first reading the root page from the index metadata, and from this root page, storage engine now know how to traverse through this index structure, and from this index structure it will find the matching record, the first matching record, the leaf level, and then it will follow the page IDs to find the next page. From the page ID, it will find the next page, and then the next page, and the next page. This is the logical order. While in the allocation order, it will not do like that run. It will read all the pages from the allocation order bitmap, and it will return those pages in the same order which are allocated.